When am I gonna be back in Tampa?
Yeah.
Not for a minute, bro. We leave because we'll be out there for like a week and a half, and then as soon as we come back, my grandpa's coming to hang out with us and shit.
Mm,
We're live, by the way. We're coming to hang out with us and shit for like 5 days, so I'll be available. When am I going out there? The 26th to like the first or second, and then hanging out with him until the 6th. So
nice.
like April 7th and beyond, bro.
Damn. Okay.
Like a fucking minute, dude. What's up, y'all? How's everybody doing? We chilling? Let me put this shit up here. Pop out chat, bro. Look at fucking US 30 cooking the damn thing out here. Holy shit.
Damn, it's running.
We're running like a track star.
That happened out of nowhere. What the
Oh,
hell?
yeah. I kind of want to get in on this challenge account, too. She's a runner. She's a track star. What's up? How's everybody doing? Hey, we're about to get into these buys pretty rapidly, so get ready. I'll talk about the breakdown here in a second. We've been waiting for this for a while, so get ready for that. You should be able to see my balance up there now. Oh, I hate it being all the way down there. What is it going to be like zero point 0.4, I think? We'll start with the zero point 0.2. Stop loss is going to be like 50 points. 987654940. Oh, so that's like 1% risk. That's fine. I'm on a very light position on US 30. We're looking at NAS here, so if NAS starts to break above highs, I'm going to get in as well, and I split risk so I can get into both of them at the same exact time. EP, what up? Tony Gold says. Looking at Discord, everyone did well and used to. Yeah, bro.
What
We out. New York session's a vibe, bro. It's just PM session that's a bitch.
up?
PM session is the true biatch. Yeah, we killed it during New York Open. I lost for London session, and then I lost my first trade for New York Open, and then second trade one of the target three hit in like 5 minutes. AM was beautiful. Are we in? Yeah, you guys should be able to see my P&L there too, though. I'm actually about to switch it up though. I hate that being down there because here, y'all, let's just do it right now. Reset. And then what do we do? 500. What's up? How's y'all's weekend though? We chilling? Very zen like? 650. Let's just do 660 here. I'll give a breakdown here in a second. Just give me a moment. Let me get this done right quick. Oh, whoops. I hope desktop audio is not on. They're gonna flag my fucking shit. I forgot. Are you already in a trade coast? Yeah, bro. I'm in US 30 buys. You guys should be able to see my balance and shit down there. I'm in US 30 buys. I think like 1% or so. I was about to get in even heavier, but I'm just gonna wait for I'm gonna wait for potentially Nas to push up too. Appreciate all 48 of you guys showing up. All right, so check it out real quick. Dow Jones. This is what I'm looking at here, bro. We've been aggressively pushing up for a fucking minute. And now for the past like 5 hours, we've been having a really tough time breaking past these lows sitting down here. Okay, so now that we grabbed, I mean, not to go too far back, but now that we grabbed all these highs sitting up here with this massive push higher, I thought market honestly was going to absolutely tank. But now that we're holding support again for like 5 hours and starting to push back up, I'm expecting price to come back up to these highs before deciding what to do, which should be like a 1 to 3 for us anyways, if we can start to push up there. And so just going down to 5-minute time frames, kind of playing around with that. We just broke above resistance, which has been, me and EP been on for like 30 minutes just talking business and shit. And this, bro, we've been just sitting in the middle of this range for fucking ever, bro. But we finally just got some good momentum pushing beyond these highs here, so we decided to execute and see what we got going on. Again, stops will definitely be put to break even, you know, around the 1 to 1.5 range. But I don't plan to take any partials at least till we come up to like a 1 to 2. So we're kind of here for a ride if we can actually push. Nas, on the other hand, is this same shit. We've been sitting in this disgusting like 150 point range, but I do expect price to come up here to New York high, so I'm just kind of waiting for price to break above this little minor rejection level. Now, the issue with Nas is like we have another potential liquid grab sitting right up here at these highs, which is honestly not too far away. It's like 16 points away, so I think this is a bit more of an aggressive trade, but we'll see. I mean, we get some good momentum behind. We'll definitely be getting in. We'll be putting stops to break even before we come up to New York highs and kind of going from that point. But if not, then we'll just take the US 30 trade for the day. I think EP was potentially thinking about getting in. Oh, you got into buys a long time ago. Never mind. His trade is already fucking sitting in nasty profit, so we'll leave that alone.
Well, yeah.
But we have Nas on left hand side, US 30 on right hand side, and
He's just gonna send it all the way to like swing highs.
to fucking swing highs, bro. Let's go. Let's get it. Spend time with the fam and study my ass off? Hell yeah, bro. I did not do any studying, but I definitely spend a lot of time with family this weekend. What did I do this weekend? We went to the beach. What did I do? I did some fun ass shit yesterday, 2 days ago. I just forgot. I guess it wasn't that fucking fun. Whoops, my bad. You guys can see it now. Shooting, the beach. Oh, we went on a walk in the woods and shit. We went to this cool little place called Lettuce Lake Park. That was very fun. And then we hung out with some friends yesterday. That's right. That's all we did. We were just chilling. We were just chilling. We're pretty much sitting at damn near break even, so our entry's actually sitting right here. And we're just having a tough time moving anywhere, bro. Jeez. Where's your stop loss on Dow, brother? 50 points. Sitting right here. 950. Right at 950 is where I sell it. Pretty much previous candle. Just put it right under previous candle lows here, bro. And then you good. Did you tune your Hellcat? Yeah, it's in the shop right now, bro. I still haven't got it back. It's been getting the ECU unlocked and all that shit as we speak. Should not take this long. He said that it's just they're having a long time. They're taking a long time bringing my ECU back in, but once it's done, he already has the parts installed, so it just take like a couple hours to tune it. So I'm just waiting for it. I'm anxious, bro. I want that shit back bad now. Really fucking bad. And also, did you guys get up to 100 likes here? Or are we only giving one account away this week? What's the word, bird? 91. You guys got 9 more likes. If you don't get this up to 100, if you don't get this up to 100 likes, we're only giving away 1 account this week. I'm gonna be very disappointed in you. Very disappointed in you. But that's okay. That saves me resources, so I can give a different account out a different way or some shit. You know, so I ain't too mad at you. But here's the free group. Go to giveaway section. Make sure you fucking like that shit. Get it up to 100 so we give away 2 accounts. Only at 4 likes on the stream? Yeah, we just wait until we hit TP. Once I hit TP, we got 60 people in here. Everybody will be liking the stream. I got a couple stacks of cash sitting over here. Maybe I'll pull it out of the band and start throwing it at you guys. We got a couple of guns because I just cleaned my guns. Maybe I'll shoot one of my fucking monitors. We'll see. But none of that is happening unless I hit TP. And I got a GoPro too, so you guys can see it on that end, and then I'll put this bitch on and you can see it. First person shooter vibes kind of thing. First time in the stream, welcome Adrian Franklin -Q90. Where you coming from, bro? You just stumbled onto my shit or what? You ain't down. I'm not down, bro. I'm not down. Lord knows I really do need to destroy probably 2 of these monitors for the sake of my well-being, but we got all 4 up and running, big dog. It's too much shit going on at once, bro. Put it that way. There should be no reason why I have so many damn monitors in my face all the time. But here we are. I know initial entry looks real good, bro, compared to the entry we all got in together. Our initial entry is got up, yeah, like 50 points since entry. Versus this entry on stream is fucking looking a little rough. We got a new 30-minute candle open here in two minutes, y'all, so.
I'm up 3R right now, gold.
He said, bro, we haven't seen White Chocolate's hair in a minute. What do you mean? Where's his hair at? He usually wears a hat. You had to stumble on it? Solid, bro. Are you a trader or are you just trying to become a trader? Today will be the day, bro. I just released a 5-hour video running through my entire system. 5 fucking hours, dude. That shit took a long time to create. But no gatekeeping, no upselling, no extra shit. Just straight raw, exactly how I trade, the mechanics behind why I believe the market moves and all that shit. We've already broken below previous candle lows on US 30, bro. It's not looking too good for us. Not looking too good for us at all. If we can start to flip, though, this new candle. The issue is we got like 40 seconds left until new 30 minutes. So the likelihood of us not at least having some type of bottom wick is tough, bro. It's very tough. Break even hit on US 30, but better than the L? Hell yeah. No, I didn't even hit target 1, so there's nowhere for me to put break even, in my opinion. I'm just kind of thugging it out here. Thugging it out. 10 seconds left until new 30-minute and 15-minute and 5-minute candle open. You guys can't hear no music, though, can you? I mean, it's just probably about to get banned anyway, so I was playing it earlier. It's all good. It is what it is. Appreciate all 60 y'all showing up. And, yeah. No, you good? All right, cool. TP on Dow. 50 points. About 40, 50 points. That first fake out on US 30 this morning for buys, I think I lost $200 in 5 seconds. Oh, this first initial candle here? Yeah. Yeah, we had a tough first trade ourselves, and then, bro, price sent it 200 points. We only took 110 out of it, but it was a clean, very clean morning today. All right, so we got the new 30-minute candle open. I mean, we created the smallest bottom wick. We have a lot of bullish momentum, which just we just got to push, bro. We have some pretty decent bullish momentum here, though. Really liking this trade so far. Answer the poll when you guys get a second. It's been a while since I've seen where you guys are at. This is your time if you want to pull out break even from this trade. I'm holding tough until either SL or TP. I want to see what we got going on here, but this would be a time to pull out if you were nervous about it. We do not have a lot of volume behind this move. I've just kind of accepted that's what PM session is, so I'm going to try to just play the probabilities of the system and see what happens. But this is kind of your last opportunity to pull out of this bitch. EP went to go get a hat. Facts. Emmitt, do you ever look at daily time frame and 4 hour for overall trend? No, I scalp, so whatever's going on in daily 4 hours is of not any decent importance to me, bro. I'll go to hourly time frame and 4 hour to look at a potential area of rejection, because I just trade volume within areas that price have rejected off of before. But as far as bias or where I believe price is gonna go, nah, it doesn't really have too much stipulation to me, bro. I don't really care about it. We could be in the most bearish market ever and me still take buys and be fine. That top-down analysis, for me at least, it leaves me to so much hesitation of so many different things I need to line up before taking a trade and shit. And at least for myself, it just ends up being bad execution, so I don't do it. Back in profit. Hell yeah, bitch, let's get it moving. This looks good. This looks pretty good to me, brother. Pushing back up the highs. The account is sitting up $300. Wow, how boring is that? Holy shit. I think I'm just going to put another 0.1 in here just because this is extremely boring. But trying to potentially just split risk and put it into or NAS if we start to push back above highs. This is still not out of the mix for me. Again, it's a lot. I guess it's a lot riskier just because we have these highs right here. We could potentially have an opposite end. This is my issue right here. But we'll see. We'll see what type of volume we get. Neither one of these are moving. Even I know US30 is starting to push, but both of these are boring as fuck. Honestly, there's no momentum behind these moves. Very, very good. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yo, Rebel, did you see why the guy, oh, you did see it. It's because he was putting ZenLab as one word instead of two. I'm like, man, we can't help everybody, bro. We can't help everybody, bro. It's just nuts.
Where's 30 going?
I feel like it's not doing shit, bro. I mean, it's going our way, but my God, is it
Yeah.
taking some time?
Gold is just ripping. Should have put him out.
All right, bro. I think I'm gonna put that initial position in stops to break even. Not for our position, yeah. We're holding right now. Didn't even try 2 words. At least try, bro. Just man. What can I say, bro? What can I fucking say? think it's time to dye my hair again for like the third time this month, or this third time in the past like 3 weeks. Jesus. I really need to find some type of permanent hair dye. Although once I'm done with the Miami event, I think I told you guys, but I'm just gonna cut all this shit off. Start over. We are trying to push just with no type of aggression. Back at break even again for the 20 minutes now? We talking 20 minutes now? 20 minutes of not going anywhere, bro. Actually, though. 20 minutes of not going anywhere. Naz, 25 minutes of not going anywhere. Who's in this trade? Put a 1 in the chat, 2 in the trade, you're not. Where y'all at? Oh, good. So we're all just sitting here, just like, come on, bro, let's fucking go, dude.
Slowest shit ever.
I come above, baby.
You don't fuck with moving averages?
No. I just, if I'm trading above them on a buy, I'm happy. If I'm trading below them on a sell, I'm happy. But outside of that, that's just kind of where it's at. I use it as kind of a psychological level of support and resistance. So, like, if my stop loss is sitting right at a moving average, I will potentially hold a bit further than getting right out as soon as we hit stop loss, because it's the median of price during a set period of time. So a lot of times, as you know, it'll react off of it and continue higher.
Yeah.
But oh shit, target one just got hit here, y'all. We're up a grand. We're up 1%.
Damn.
Put a W in the chat. Put a W in the chat. Put your stops to break even. If we come back down, whatever, bro. You guys can pull out parcels if you want. I'm just gonna put stops to break even for now. I haven't really been parceling out of shit. Maybe that's my issue lately, though, honestly. But it's just such low volume. It's fucking. We don't take enough trades to parcel out, you know? I kind of just want to see these things run. www. Yeah, son. That's it. That's all the W's I get. EP, where's my W at, bro?
3, 1.
Sheesh. Big W's. Hell yeah. Funded Hero 50% off. Yeah, it's not 50% off. I have to change that. It's 60% off challenges right now for Funded Hero. So if you guys need an account, go to the link in my bio. It's 60% off. 60. Go get an account and run this bitch up. I'm in drawdown right now, so you can still do the challenge with us, and I still have recovery. You're going to be at a higher curve than us. Fat nigga season. www. Fat nigga season. www. Exclamation mark. Education. Bro, Streamlabs works when it wants, bro. Rebel. I don't know what that shit is, bro, but that shit works when it wants, bro. You guys I guess we tapped into a supply. I don't trade that shit, but for those of you who don't like this volume, like myself, you can pull out some parcels if you want. Again, I'm going to be holding here. I want to pull out parcels here if we can come up here. That's kind of where I'm at. We hit 2K, maybe I'll pull out 1K and not even care for us to manipulate highs, but I want to wait until we hit 2% before I decide what I want to do with the remainder of this position. 25K two phase with his code is like $80 for everyone who can't afford 100K. Sheesh, fire. Thank you, bro. Thank them. Thank him. Bringing the cash home. Oh, I bet you my bro. Did I show you what steering wheel I got?
Hmm?
EP, did I show you what steering wheel I got?
No.
Oh my gosh, bro. I can't show you on stream because I want them to see in a video, but
Oh yeah.
out of this world, G.
I think a nice steering wheel upgrades interior so much.
I mean, I can't upgrade anymore unless I want to repaint my whole interior because it's already red. So I just did I did the fire steering, but it's raw as fuck, bro.
I think
Nobody in the world will have my steering wheel. It was the main thing I really wanted outside of like the tune and shit. So everything else, I think I'm just gonna keep it blacked out. I don't think I'm gonna do no crazy, like fucking crazy decals and shit like that. I just want to be a clean in the cut.
do you have tints?
Yeah, all the way around, bro. Jade said almost W, almost, bro. We got a long way to the way we're cooking, bro. We got another fucking 20 minutes before hitting back to break even or TP2. So put the ZenLab logo in the middle. That'd be hard, bro. Rebel, get out of here, bro. That would be hard, bro. Emma, is it better to have different accounts for different sessions or one main trading account? In my opinion, if you're trading with multiple different people, different accounts, if you're trading one account, I mean, it just all depends on your stability, bro. If you have a tough time taking trades on one account, you lose those trades, and then you're trying to go to the next session to make up for what you lost during the previous session, have two different accounts. If you're simply just trading a system and you could give a flying fuck what happens from session to session, yeah, you can have one account and try to compound it as quick as you can. But I think the best plan of action in anything when it comes to finances is diversification of funds. So if you can split up the risk, then that's definitely the way to go. Good question, bro. Avishka trades. Great question. This is a bitch though. This is not a great weight, Nate. Make sure you guys have stops to break even. Let me make sure that I have stops to break even too. I do. It's my first profitable. Your first profitable what? Trade? Account? Mindset? Girlfriend?
Hmm.
It's my first profitable month. I'm up 10%, risking 1% per trade. Been learning a lot from you. Appreciate it. Much love, bro. That's huge. Love to hear it. Hell yeah. First person to get 3 payouts on their account can take over PM session for me here and trade with white chocolate every day. Who's gonna do it first? Where you at, Rebel? Tough. Yeah, well done, bro. It's solid. We
Regular
sh-
PM session is Emmitt. It's too slow for him.
it's too slow, bro. I know some people go to during market open like, oh my god, this is so fucking fast. What the fuck am I supposed to do? But I like that shit, bro.
I do too.
New 15-minute candle open. We gotta keep it real with ourselves. The likelihood of it just continuing higher without creating bottom wick is very low. So we're gonna expect for it to come further down than this at least before continuing higher. But on a grand scheme of things, these past 45 minutes of bullish momentum is looking pretty good for us. I really enjoy this trade so far. It's just let's fucking go. Did anybody parcel out yet, or you all being G's with me and holding this till the final break even or target two? CEP, look at. I don't know if you can see the. I mean, guess everybody vote on the poll. But this is what I like about my community, bro. It's not fucking 90-10 anymore. 50% of people trade personal capital, 50% of people trade prop firm. Yeah, which is crazy. Usually always 90 prop firm, 10%
Yeah,
personal.
I love personal, bro.
You know nothing like it, bro. Partial and holding? Hell yeah. Yeah, we're coming on back down, Sonny. We're coming back down rapidly. I had two trades, lower entry holding, the other entry partial. Hell yeah.
Yeah, we should start trading oil. Oil be moving.
That's that's what what's his name he talking about? James.
Really?
James be trying to convince me to trade oil so hard, bro. He's been telling me to
Oh,
buy oil
really?
for the past fucking 2 weeks. Yeah, but it's a buy and hold kind of
Yeah,
vibe.
no, every session is pumping. You could scalp it for sure. London session in Asia move a lot. New York doesn't even move that much. I add that to the list of backtest.
Uh, James been holding since January on a crazy entry. Now he pulled out, bro. He might have kept a bit of parcels, but he pulled out though. I mean, it's crazy. I'm gonna see him in a week. I haven't seen him in a minute. I think since he came to visit me out here, actually last year. Holy shit! Always a good vibe, bro. He's a solid, solid fucking dude. One of the realest in the game. I think he's the person who motivated me the most to go to the gym so fucking much. To be honest with you, talking on the phone with that nigga, all he does is in the gym for fucking 3 hours a day and shit. It's crazy. I don't do that anymore. I don't need to be in the gym for 3 hours a day, bro. It's enjoyable though. It's nice to just work on. It ain't even like lifting weights and shit like that. It's just like lift weights, then go to stair stepper, then go to sauna. That combo, and then go take a cold shower. Which in Florida is no such thing as cold shower, but as cold as you can. Then go back in the sauna for like an additional 15. Those days, I was doing that shit for months every day. That was some of the chillest times of my entire life. I wasn't working for shit. I wasn't hopping on no fucking streams. I wasn't doing shit. We were hopping on New York Open for like 20 minutes a day, and then I was straight to gym life hard. I didn't do shit else with my life last year. And some of the most peaceful times I've ever had in my entire life, actually, though. And it really puts to instilled a habit in me that I don't think is gonna go anywhere for an extremely long time. But since I've kind of stopped doing like fucking sauna and shit, bro, it's just too much. It takes too much fucking time every day while I'm trying to like create videos and shit, you know?
When I get my first house, that's like the first thing I'm buying. Sauna there.
Sauna?
Yeah, bro, I love saunas, but I hate like sharing it with people. I can share it with a few people,
No.
but like if it's packed, I hate that shit. So you know.
Bro, you don't work. You just go during times that normal people don't go. That's all it is. The time I go to the gym, no one is ever in there ever, bro. It's not a thing.
Bro, at least the gym. This is my second gym I've tried in this area. Packed 24/7.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's no times off unless you're there like 4 a.m., which
Uh,
I'm not doing.
oh my god. Any lower, I'm about to be taken out of this. That's crazy, bro. Just a nice little. How long have we been in this trade? 35 minutes. Wow. Both. I just got taken out after being in this trade for 35 minutes. And Naz kind of did the same thing too. Like Naz is pushing up to these highs and just doesn't want to go, bro, at all. Does not want to break beyond these highs at all. If I just got clipped out here barely for it to push higher though, I would be kind of mad about it. But what's new? As far as the secondary trade here, y'all, what is it? 251. I'm probably not gonna take one to be completely honest with you. I am chilling for the day. I've had a disgusting day during AM. if you guys want to see things sped up times what, fucking 50, join New York session with me, bro. That's the time that I usually trade. I'm only simply on here because I went through an entire course for you guys, which is 43 videos long. Let's see if Streamlabs will put it up here today. And thank you for doing that, Rebel. And I want you guys to see documentation behind all of it instead of just watching these videos and not seeing it implied. But I like high volume. I think the system works by far the best with extremely high volume. So high volume is during market open, whether that's London open, whether that's Asian open using Japan 225, or whether that's New York open, which is my favorite session to trade. So um, you can continue to hop on these live streams just to get, I guess sometimes hang out with the boys. Sometimes I go to a fucking tangent of education because I really enjoy to educate. But as far as actual get into business and not my opinion, my fact, it's New York Open, bro. That's where we get to the fucking dream. Excellent trading, Emmitt, living the dream. Hell yeah, bro. Thanks. I didn't capitalize on anything, but I still think I'm a fucking living the dream out here for sure. Definitely. James been holding since January on a crazy entry. Yeah. As always, you guys need a prop firm account and you're buying it full price. You're out of your goddamn mind. 60% off all challenges by using code Zen. And then if you want to trade personal capital, which I'm shocked, now the poll says 50% of people trade, 53% of people trade personal. There's no better conditions. It's $7 per lot traded. That's in and out, so that's not just one way. That's both ways. They offer 1 to 1,000 leverage, and there's so many different assets to trade. Like they have crypto, they have indices, they have forex, they have commodities. Like there's literally a one-stop shop for fucking everything. So, capitalize on that. That's what I trade. That's what you see me trade every single day. Except for right now, we're trading this Funded Hero Challenge together, and either we win or we win, bro. Y'all know what time it is. New York was good though. Yeah, of course it was. This is good too, bro. Break even trade is still a win for me. I just as somebody who's a scalper, to sit into a trade for 35 minutes for the outcome to just be neutral is still fucking boring, bro. Like it's still boring. I enjoy to see outcomes either be losses or wins, and it is what it is. But capital preservation is definitely first, and it's not looking like price wants to go anywhere right now in either one of these assets. Even Nas, like to even think about waiting for an additional entry, bro. We've been pushing sideways for like fucking 50 minutes, bro, of not going anywhere. Now we're right back in the middle of the range. Even since me and you hopped on EP, like what the fuck? And so it's not anything I want to trade inside of. But before we get out of here, EP wanted to give you guys some serious gems I forgot for him to tell you. So what was it? What did you want to say?
Well, now I gotta think of something on the spot.
Real niggas grind in silence. That's what he was saying all day. He just didn't want to say the N word for you guys, but he tells me every day I wake up, he calls me and say, "Yo, nigga, real niggas grind in silence." G, I appreciate that shit all day. Word up. See y'all tomorrow, everybody. Take care, and we'll see you for New York session. If you need to know how to join, go join the free community. I think I still have it here. I got you right here. Boom. Here's a free community. The lives are recorded, so if you want to wait to see how I operate first before you buy into it, fine. Go to live recordings in the free group and watch how I actually trade every single day and shit, and then make up your decision. But we'll see you guys tomorrow, bro. Big week ahead. Later.